Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody. Welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring this 1962 Ford Thunderbird Sports Roadster. Now this Sports Roadster is finished in Rangoon Red over black interior. It has 54,000 miles on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a 390 cubic inch V8 engine. In 1962, the Ford Motor Company introduced a limited option for their Thunderbird model called the Sports Roadster package. Now this package would only be offered for 2 years. This limited production option package included a rear tonneau cover that covered the 2 rear seats and made the car appear as if it was a 2-seat roadster. Other options included these 14-inch Kelsey-Hayes 48-spoke wire wheels, this passenger grab bar, and other special roadster emblems. In addition to its convenient features, the soft top was designated to fully operate without the removal of the tonneau, and storage space underneath the tonneau allowed for personal items to be concealed on top of the rear seats. There would only be 1,427 sports roadsters produced in 1962, and of those, only 465 were produced in the Rangoon Red over black color combination. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too, so give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.